program is done. So you can actually regulate the frequency.
So look at that. At the top here, it says click to play sound. It says that it's not playing. But
Let's play with the frequency.
I can play now. You can see it says true for a second, and then it turns back to false.
And if you lower the frequency?
I'm gonna lower the duration just for a second.
Now it's shorter.
I can increase it to like 1.5.
And with the frequency?
I can increase it with to like 2 seconds. 2 seconds.
And the frequency?
Let's try. By the way, I've changed the maximum. Now you can go all the way to 3 seconds.
Okay. And the frequency?
Let's just try to lower them.
Тима, сделай frequency, потому что у меня сейчас память закончится на телефоне.
And now I'm gonna show you what you can do with the frequency. Watch very closely.
That's the same.
No.
Oh, now it's different. This is so cool.
I think it should really decrease by some more. Let's try to decrease it by 20. Because then I can really